Before we get started, click that channel notification, give us a huge thumbs up. Today we're gonna show you guys a big experiment. So now we'll put itty bitty glitter in.
What have you added so far?
We added some, what is this called? Baking
soda?
Baking soda. And now, Daddy, do the honors.
You want to do it?
Yep, let's do the honors. And we'll come back to the We Can't Eat a Fun Universe. Whoa. That's cool, guys. And it's apple vinegar.
Apple volcano.
Yeah, and guys, never ever eat this. It's expired. So don't eat it. For safety first. Add a lot. It looks like it's a volcano. It looks like a real volcano. Epic, guys. And anyways, you need a grown up. My grown up is Daddy and Mommy. We're adding like a whole bunch of vinegar. And bye, guys.